Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on US-61 in Louisa County, Iowa, starting just as we leave the city of Wapello. We're on the last 35 miles of two-lane highway on US-61 in Iowa, although construction was underway at the time of this filming to twin this last section of highway. And for the first time since we entered the state of Iowa, we can see a little bit of blue sky. The roadway we're on dates back to 1932, but on the left, you can catch a glimpse of a very old bridge, and that is the pre-1932 alignment of US-61 that took a different path through the city of Wapello than what we saw in the previous video. I'll call the road we're on the original alignment because the highway was unpaved prior to 1932. We entered Des Moines County, not to be confused with the city of Des Moines, the capital of Iowa, which is nowhere near here. Both places are named for the Des Moines River, which flows through the city of Des Moines in the center of the state and flowed through the original Des Moines County, although its closest point to the present-day Des Moines County is about 25 miles. This is one of Iowa's two original counties along with Dubuque County, organized by the Michigan Territorial Legislature in 1834. Today, Des Moines County has a population of 38,910 as of the 2020 census. we enter the city of Mediapolis, so named from the Greek for middle village. Mediapolis lies at the halfway point between Burlington and Wapello. Mediapolis was a railroad junction where the Burlington and Northwestern Railway to Washington and the Burlington-Cedar Rapids and Minnesota Railway met. Mediapolis has a population of 1,688 as of the 2020 census. This is another town that will probably have to be bypassed by the future improved US-61, as there's no room for a widened highway here. US-61 through Mediapolis is named Wapello Street. Here we can see construction underway to widen the highway to 4 lanes on the left. Some temporary traffic signals are set up to allow for 1 lane of traffic during construction hours, which wasn't happening during this day of filming. As of the publication of this video, some of the new highway has been open to traffic. We conclude today's video at approximately mile 47. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.